induction and handover ceremonies of the
Guys, pasok tayo sa induction sa
Antipolo chapter.
As we officially begin our program, may we invite everyone to rise for the invocation to be led by Dr. Leslie Jacob.
Let's bow our heads and open our hearts as we seek guidance and blessings through us all and pray. Thank you so much, Dr. Leslie Jacob. Ganda ng boses ka. Please sit down. Take your seats. Ganda ng boses ka, no? Very angelic. Sabi ko, maririnig ko lang mo. Very angelic voice ni Dr.
Nakakilabot.
Again, welcome everyone and good afternoon to our guests, to our lecturers, fellow doctors, and our traders. Thank you so much for making time to be here with us today to celebrate this 25th induction and handover ceremonies ng Antipolo chapter.
Yes, we're truly grateful to see such a wonderful turnout. And today's event wouldn't have come together without a lot of hard work behind the scenes.
Okay, that hard work was guided by someone whose dedication and leadership brought this entire program to life.
Yes, she's someone many of us admire, both as professional and person. And we're proud to have her leading this initiative.
Alright, let's all welcome the chairman of today's event, Dr. Colleen Manalo, as she shares her welcome remarks.
It is a delight to have you all with us today. Thank you for joining, and special thanks to our guest lecturers, Dr. Iluminada Viloria and Dr. Anthony Gutierrez, for accepting our invite and evincing interest to share with us their wisdom and support. It is our chapter's pride to have two esteemed specialists as our speaker. We would also like to welcome our 21 sponsors: Dental Domain, Oval Dental Supplies, Voco, Procel, Value RX, Vito Viel, PharmaX, Right Arm, Exogen, Tesco, 4A Trading, TAC Protect, Gantech, Ruby's Travel and Tours, St. Patrick Medical System Incorporated, Dental Awareness Study Club, Assumption Antipolo, Ornent, CMZ, EMS, and BPI. Your care and concern for our organization are above and beyond. Thank you for being involved and for supporting our goals. We are blessed by your generosity. Thank you also to our organizing committee who worked so hard in making this function a resounding success. So let us now prepare ourselves to be challenged, excited, and inspired. Once again, thank you all for your attention.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lee. So today, we're honored to hear from someone who has been along guiding boys in dental education.
Yes, with her passion and leadership, she now takes the helm as president of Antipolo City Dental Chapter for 2025 to 2026. Let us all welcome Dr. Ana Rosario Su.
Good afternoon to everyone present here today. To our esteemed speaker, Dr. Iluminada Viloria, Dr. Anthony Gujof. To rise above means to face adversity with strength. To achieve beyond means to pursue excellence, not just for ourselves, for the patient and communities who rely on us. As dental professionals, we are healers. But beyond that, we are innovators, educators, leaders, and advocates. That's why events like these today's seminar are important. They are the opportunities not only to expand our scientific knowledge, but to connect, collaborate, reaffirm our commitment to the highest standard of our healthcare. We're incredibly honored to have with us an outstanding lineup of speakers who bring with them not just expertise, but a wealth of real-world experience and insights that will inspire us to think deeper, aim higher, and care better. Thank you, dear speakers, for sharing your time and talent. To our hardworking committee members and organizers, you have truly gone above and beyond to make this event successful. Your dedication reflects the heart and soul of our chapter, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. To our valued sponsors and partners, thank you for continuously supporting our profession and investing in education that uplifts the quality care we provide. And most of all, to all the participants, you are the reason for this seminar. Your presence today shows your passion and learning, your drive to improve, your willingness to embrace change. Never forget that investing in our knowledge is investing in our future and the future of the patients who trust us with the health and smiles. As we go to today's program, I encourage you to listen with an open mind, engage, ask questions, and take something valuable back with you. Whether it's a new skill, a deeper understanding, or renewed sense of purpose. May this seminar equip you to rise above and challenge us and achieve beyond limits. Let this be more than a one-day event. Let be a turning point, a spark that ignites greater passion, leadership, and excellence within each of us. Once again, welcome to our first